What's up guys, me Jacob, and today we're back again with another YouTube video after seeing the interior of my GMC getting cleaned up. Now we're going to go and do the Duramax, and we're going to go and install a tonneau cover. So yeah, it's right behind me, it's right there. So yeah, let's get that started. Alright, so yeah, here's a Duramax looking boy over here. We got a Denali HD. Here he comes. Here comes the grand surprise. Get ready. Oh, there he is. There he is. There's the man of the show. All right.
We're gonna unbox this Gator tonneau cover. Fits this beautiful Sierra Denali GMC, and it's supposed to go on without a hit. Roll it out of the box, assemble it, put it on the truck.
So here it is. What type of tonneau cover is this, Dad?
It's the Gator.
All right.
And,
is it like a roll up or is it?
this is a roll up on bearings.
All right.
One pull lever lock.
Comes in this like it's shipped.
Here's the instructions.
No.
Oh.
That just shows you how good we are at putting things together.
So we got us a items not covered under warranty, conditions with void warranty, conditions limitation. This is stuff that comes with it. So you got a retractable cover, some rails, which I assume that is the rails.
This seems like it.
That's our retractable cover. So I believe we assembled the retractable cover with the rails, put it on the truck, and mount it down. And then there's 3 different locks you put in any position you'd like. So, like I said, we gotta assemble the little bolts and the locks first. Then they want us to actually put the retractable cover in the bed, and then bolt in the runners.
That sound like a good plan?
So that's what we're gonna do.
Awesome.
So we gotta find all the bolts.
All right.
Maybe the first thing we'll do is take this out of the box.
It's not a good idea. All right, now we got it out. Here it is. There's a little roll-up boy right here. Little cover. Seems like the pieces come in here. We'll check that out. Let's hope it is. We'll make an update video after that. All right, so right here we got the parts now. Yeah, it's right here. Not a bag, it's a box. Box full of chocolates.
So obviously these are lock points. And these are the things we're looking for with the instructions. So there's 2 types of screws that go into these.
Crock boy.
Yeah. There's a online, I don't know where.
Where'd you get this, Dad?
We got this thing from realtrucks.com online, shipped directly, free shipping, right to our house.
Awesome. Would you say that the shipping was good?
Shipping's excellent, 3 days.
Awesome. All right, do we got all the parts we need? I'll take that as a yeah. Alright guys, we'll come back once we are starting to install it onto the truck. Guys, we just got it all placed down. As you can see, now we got to put on all the rails and the clamps. We picked like the hottest, well, they picked like the hottest day to get this, so we're sweating like dogs. Well, mostly Dad.
It's 90 degrees.
Yeah, it feels like 90. Tomorrow's supposed to be the hottest, on 4th of July. Happy 4th all of you guys. You guys have safe out there while you're at it. So yeah. Let's go put on these rails now. This will be fun. One side at a time. Alright guys, you gotta put in, was it 2 screws, Dad?
Let's put it together here.
Alright, so there's gonna be 2 screws you gotta do on both sides. In the same exact area. They look like this. These are what the screws look like. If it'll focus. I'd love it if it could focus. Oh, maybe. Come on now. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's a little star. Now back to it. You repeat that for the other side now, which is right there. Right there. So once you got it in, you do it on that side. So the next thing what you want to do is put in these stops, is what it's called, right?
It shouldn't be that.
Latch stops, yeah. So then once you put in the latch stops, you're supposed to slide one way down there and then slide one right around at the end for a rear tailgate, and then for the one way at the start. So the next thing we gotta do is we gotta tighten this guy up and then tighten up for both sides, and then you put on the clamps. Alright guys, so we're done. This is what the new product looks like. We're all done with it. And as you can see, it moves a little bit on its own. Nah, I'm joking. Here it is. So we got it all connected now. We got to put down this little silver clamps right here. Now Dad's going to show off his new toy. Is this made out of aluminum?
This is aluminum top, and there's a couple locks on the side here, and you just pull it real fast and lock it, and then shut the tailgate. She's locked up tight.
GMC action.
Very sleek looking top.
Can take some hits.
Pounds on there, but I wouldn't want to try it.
I think we should. Come on, Dad, we're going on there. Alright, what do you think, Daphne? Was that a good job?
That's it. Install wasn't bad. What do you say, about an hour?
I would say so. I would say the hardest part about it, I would say, is definitely when it came to what do you call it? The weird locks on it. Those things do not budge for their lives. Even when when it's not even, like, when it's loose and you're trying to put it through these little things right here. There's little things that are right here, and it just wouldn't budge for their lives. So we just decided to do one of these, and anyways, it's better. And yeah. Alright guys, so now that we've done that and I've said it all, this was a retractable bed cover by Gator, and this has been a review by it, and we'll come back and do another video about it in maybe a day or two once he's drove around with it, just to see how it is and how it's been doing. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Where are you from?
Gator.